Good morning, guys! Happy Sunday! It is Sunday. Pupunta kami sa park. Doon gaganapin yung pa-Christmas gathering namin kasama yung mga kasama ko sa work. So, yes. I will just put some makeup on. I'm wearing the romper that the weather is really good. So, I'm able to wear a romper. I really like this one. This is from Ewing's, and I'm wearing a bralette, a lacy bralette underneath. The bralette I got from Supray nung nagpunta kami sa Melbourne. Yung ano lang siya, naka-sale siya, nasa sale rack siya for $2 only kasi ano daw siya, faulty product. Yung faulty na product lang niya is, meron sana siyang, no, hindi yun faulty, it's supposed to be like that. That looks like faulty, but it's not, it just looks like that. Anyway, guys, meron sana siyang ganito, na pag ganon. Tapos, yung isa, like yung nandito, naputol yung dito na part. So, ganyan lang yung isa. But, I ended up not liking the look of this at all. So, I just removed both of them. And now my camera is flashing again. Anyway, I'll just put makeup on. And I think I will be using the curling wand that I got from Ewing's. So, itatry natin kung mag-work talaga siya, guys. Kung maka-curl talaga siya. I think I will curl my hair. Actually, no. Just kidding. Not today. Maybe on Wednesday. Kasi I will vlog on Wednesday as well. Kasi day off ko. But, yeah, today I think I will just straighten some part of my hair. Okay. Magme-makeup na tayo. Si Danny Boy ka natapos lang maligo. Tadaan yan. There you go. You look good, babe. Na-prepare na ni Dan lahat ng dadalhin namin. So, oh babe! Yeah. Jess said they have some event there. So, grab the first car park you can grab.
Sorry?
Jess said they have some event going on there. So, it might be hard to find a car park. So, she said just grab the first car park you can find.
Okay.
But you're pretty good at finding car park anyway, so... Just letting you know.
What's the time?
It is 11. We're leaving in 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. No worries, my love. Magpa-foundation ako. Gagamitin ko actually. Matagal ko na ito hindi nagamit. Yung Hourglass na Vanish foundation. This is in the shade Warm Beige. This is my perfect shade. In-arrange ko na naman yung ano ko, guys, yung filming room ko. So, yung table na nandito sana, nilipat ko siya dito. Oh, shoot.
Wearing the big watch today.
Oh, yeah? Let me see. Oh, this is from, do you remember?
Gamings.
Gamies! That looks really cool. Is it all set? Is it set?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's why I see the time. Is it quite settled? Yeah.
It's 11:02, yeah. Yeah, that's a cool looking watch.
Yeah.
Guys, yung eyebrow product ko na to, ito yung ito yung galing kay Daiso. Bigay sa akin to ni Belle from Jobelita. Thank you, Belle. Malapit na siya maubos. Like, yan na yung pinaka-last niya. First time ako makaubos ng ng eyebrow product. Kasi first time talaga, hindi ko alam kung meron sila nito dito, sa Daiso dito sa amin. Sana meron. Kasi gusto ko to, lagi ko tong ginagamit eh. Thank you, babe. Binigay pa niya sa akin to last year. E, naubos na siya. Papunta na kami, guys. Nag-stop lang kami dito sa Liquorland. Parang drive-thru siya ng mga alcohol. So, nandun si Dan. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibili niya kasi nagdala na siya ng beer. So, oh, I think he's getting more beer. I'm wearing the lip tint. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. It's so loud as well. Yung KJM lip tint na parang magenta. Magenta ba yun? Basta. Bibili ni Dan. Beer? Cider ata? Ewan ko. Good boy. Are we taking a shortcut?
Yeah.
Yep. Who knows all the shortcut in Adelaide?
Me.
Do you?
I do.
Who's the lucky one?
Me.
Me. We're taking a shortcut, guys. Yung mga ganyang trees, gustong-gusto ko yan. Purple. Oh my gosh, it's so shaky. Sorry. Ganda ng purple tree! We're here. Dala-dala ko yung present para kay Will. Tsaka, ito pang picnic na mat. Yung dala ni Dan. Oh, thank you, babe. Nahanap namin si Jess. Sabi niya, nandito na daw siya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-busy. Dala-dala din namin yung camping chair namin. First time namin siya gagamitin. Where are they? Dan got his sunscreen.
Okay. Bye.
Jess is here!
I'm here.
And Nathan.
He's YouTubing you.
Yeah, it smells good though, coconut.
Yeah. We got this from Target, I think. Target?
Yeah, super.
Yeah. Cheap. It was on special. Karika's here.
Hello, people. That's how Dan says hi, people.
Did you see?
Hello, people.
No, I was looking last night. Did you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Be careful with the cat.
You will see your dance moves in there.
Yeah.
So we have the meat. Where's the meat, babe? Oh, there. Is this ours?
Yeah, that's ours.
Okay, that's Kanika. The barbecue is on. Let's go. It looks good, the chicken.
It does, no?
We have sausage.
Yeah.
My son only eats chicken.
I don't know how to cook nuggets on a barbecue, man.
I asked her. She said, "Yeah, you can get it."
You listen to Rhazel?
Why would you ask someone else who's not Australian?
I don't even cook.
It'll be a first, trust me.
Have some chicken.
He won't eat it.
He only eats chicken nuggets, so even if you don't.
I will try.
They're probably already cool. They probably just need to be warmed up a bit.
Yeah.
But
Really?
maybe.
Are they?
I don't know. You can do it that way, yeah.
That's a cleaner spray, right?
Yeah, it's clean away. Doesn't matter.
Any of you guys are eating chicken, doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It kills it all the germs.
I know.
I think it's right. It's just like you
The guy next to Well, I need really quick news.
Yum, 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 yum.
No room for the nuggets on the barbecue.
Where's the nuggets?
This is only veg individual teams. Made that
Yum.
milk full team.
This is the last one. The rest are cooked.
The new one,
Kain tayo!
green seafood. Is it good, is it?
We're doing the gifts now. Come on, Santa.
This is guys.
He's here.
I couldn't even notice. Randall, this is from your secret Santa.
Wow, that's a big present.
Merry Christmas. She's the one. She's the one.
Does she want to give the presents out?
Oh, she wants to give the present.
Does she want to give the presents out?
We'll do that.
Yeah, you give them to her, she'll give them out.
Okay, next gift. For Minnie. And come. You have to hand over the gift.
Yay!
Thank you. Take up there. Thank you. Who is Minnie? Oh, I will tell you. San Mo.
Whoa!
Who's my Santa?
Me.
It's Jess. Wow, lucky.
No worry.
We'll see.
She was giving them out. This is for the vendor.
Oh, he's going.
Randall, there's more ice cream to the black
This is for.
Like, grab them. If you don't eat them, I'll melt.
That's for me, Will.
Oh, this is for Jess.
Yeah. I hope you like it.
No, that's all.
It's me.
Go with that.
Thank you.
Is
There's-
that a choice? I'm happy with it.
Thank you, brother.
There's another one on top.
Oh, it's got more. And there's more.
You get a little fan. You can bring that to work.
It's going to be at work for a long time. Thanks, mate.
You're welcome. Is that mine? Oh, thank you. Who's my Santa? Whoa, that's big. Who's my Santa? Oh, is it you? Who's my Santa? You?
You gotta open your present.
Open your present.
I'll open it, babe. Who's this from?
Nice.
Yeah, I think so too.
Manish, you have to open. I made
We got tea towels.
They're coasters.
That's cute. Oh, nice.
Oh, cool. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's handy.
We'll see.
This is cute.
You always wanted one.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
You can start your own business. I'm your secret.
We just made coasters, DIY. She gave it to me. Where is it?
On here. So
That's a really nice present.
The coasters are looking even better because I'm holding them.
Oh, that looks really good.
They go with my shirt.
Yeah, this is from Jess. She
Jess
made
made
that.
them.
She made it?
She made
Yeah,
them.
she cut the tiles herself.
Oh wow,
Look
that's
how good.
nice.
Yeah. That's nail polish. The colors are really nice as well. That's a really
You can
good
use
present.
them for as a showpiece.
A what?
As a showpiece, it's
Oh, yeah,
coaster.
yeah.
Coasters, right?
You can
Yeah.
do like this, as a coaster like this.
Jess can sell that. That could be a business.
She can sell it.
Yeah.
She's artistic. She made her.
Wow, and she cut the tiles herself.
Look at the finishing.
How did she cut it herself? She must be having something.
Yeah.
So you might get a mold. You can just put it in the mold and then take it out, and then you
But
can.
she's done it herself.
There's all whole quick kit that comes in.
She
I think.
spoke to tiles and they just cut themselves.
Like tiles? Cut yourself.
That's it.
We're heading to the car. We parked really far from the playground, but we had fun. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Food was good. It's good to see Jess again and Devenda. Si Devenda pala wala na siya sa company namin. Lumipat na siya. So yeah, it was good to see them again. And magkaka-baby na siya soon. I'm excited. May bagong baby na naman. Punta lang kami sa car park. Dinala namin to pero hindi namin siya ginamit. Kasi umupo lang naman kami. Ginamit namin yung camping chairs namin for the first time. It was good. Ay, grabe. Sobrang init, guys. What's the temperature? 34? Is it? Sobrang init. Ito na naman tayo kapag malamig. Gusto na mainit. Tapos kapag mainit naman, sobrang init naman. Na gusto mo na. Ay. Hindi muna kami pumasok sa car kasi sobrang init. Init. Grabe. Whew. Oh, Dad is getting a new car, by the way. Next week? He will get it next week. We will pick it up next week. Papalitan namin tong maliit sa malaki. We're home. Ay, nako. Yun na yung araw namin. Wala na kami ibang gagawin. Tapos, trabaho na naman. Trabaho na naman. Hindi namin nainom yung tubig. Oh, it's still cold. That's nice. Meron kami mga ice pack actually. Which helped a lot. Meron kami ganito. Here, I'll hand it to you, my love. And then yung aking hindi ko din nainom yung aking mango. Kasi may nagdala ng si Will. Nagdala siya ng nagdala siya ng drinks. Tapos si Dan, naubos niya 4 na beer. Ito yung binili niya kanina pala. James, how do you pronounce that, babe? Squire? James Squire. And then yun na yung laman. This is... It's hard to... Masarap tong sparkling water na to, guys. Yay! Now I'll have... So I'll work tomorrow, tapos Tuesday, tapos Wednesday off ko. So I will get my pits in my rounder gun, laser. Tapos, Saturday, Christmas party! Another party! Gamitin natin to, babe. Yeah, we need to use this now because we will run out of time. Ano siya, mga tea towels na Christmas. So, meron tayong Santa. Tapos, we have a regular red one. Marami na kaming ganito red. And then, ito, ho. It's cool. Let's use that. Yeah, let's replace the white one right away. Meron kaming white doon. You taking a shower?
Yeah.
Sige. Ho, Merry Christmas. Kailangan na namin ito gamitin kasi wala naman kami dito sa Pasko. Sa Pilipinas tayo magpapasko. So exciting. Ang cute nitong Santa, oh. Ang cute niya. Si Randall yung ano ko, Secret Santa ko. Tapos ito regular lang na red. And then ito yung binigay na. Napakita ko na kanina pero hindi ko siya na-open. So i-open natin. Magagamit namin siguro to sa party kung meron kami ilalagay na something. Like mga loli siguro. Pero ayoko mag-loli-loli kasi si Dan lang uubos ng mga loli. Ay naku, patay talaga ang diet ni Dan. Wala na, kanina ang dami niya na naman kanain. Sarap kasi ng barbecue din ni Jess kanina eh. Hindi ko din siya mabiblame. Okay, cool. See? Ayan siyang takip. Ang cute nito. Merong tatlong ganito. Yung isa walang takip. Ay, meron pala takip lahat. Ay, nice. Iba-ibang size lang siya. Small, medium, large. Ay, cool. Ay, ang cute niyan. Wala kami mga ganitong gamit eh. Kasi hindi naman kami bumibili ng mga ganito. So, it's great to get something like this. Like, you know, sa gift. Nice. Okay. Yung gagawin ko is mag-edit lang ako ng video. Tapos, yun na. Oh, ito pala. Ang cute nito, guys. Binili namin to sa Kmart kasi gagamitin namin next Sabado para sa dito sa bahay. Christmas party dito sa bahay. And nagdala kami ng dalawa kanina. Ang cute, diba? Pineapple. Ang cute. Cute niya. Okay. Guys, nanonood lang ako ng La Luna Sangre. Yung pinapanood ko is November 9. So, medyo malapit na ako sa, katapusan. Hindi naman katapusan, pero malapit na ako mag-catch up. Last night, sobrang late ako natulog. Siguro mga 1:30 na ako natulog last night. Kasi marami akong pinanood. Kasi wala na. Sobrang layo ko na. Nag-stop ako manood. Hindi naman nag-stop, pero wala akong masyadong time manood noon. So, sobrang late ko na. Anyway, it's only 8:30, pero pareho kami pagod. Si Dan, sabi niya, dehydrated daw siya kung ano. Yeah. But I will close the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night.